All right, we've passed 1,000 subscribers, and that means we need to make a 1,000 subscriber play button, and I need to look at the camera, not the screen. Anyway, I have a plan, and it involves this tree that just fell. Let's get going.
Welcome to Warp Legacy. Screw it, we're doing it on the phone. This is attempt number 4. My computer, for some reason, keeps randomly shutting down. And every time it shuts down, it screws up the whole video because it doesn't save it right. Anyway, we've hit 1,000 subscribers, so 1,000 subscribers! And I ended up breaking this while I was trying to hang this. Got it on camera, and then it deleted the video. But as long as everything goes as planned, which the computer wants to be throwing a wrench in that whole thing right now, and I'm not sure why, but this means we have met this goal, and we have met this goal. This is the one that is 95% sure I'm going to make it, but things are arguing with me. So, I mean, I've got like almost a week to get it up and still have this done, but whatever. So, that means we need to destroy these, and I have... Can't see it. My mic's in the way because I was recording. 8 goals here total. So there's going to be 2 rows of 4 over here. 2 of them have been met. I need 2 more goals to put over here. I'm not sure what they're going to be yet. If you have ideas, let me know. I'm not sure how I'm going to destroy these yet. If you have ideas, let me know.
Destruction is fun.
Alright, hopefully I can figure out what's wrong with my computer, so next time you're on the other camera and not my phone. Yeah. Thank you for visiting Warp Legacy. Until next time, I'm Twan. Go define your legacy.